Now we have the equations or inequalities, and we are going to take a look at how they should be graphed. Well, for an equation, it is just graphed the way that it should be, but for the inequality, we graph what is called a boundary line for the inequality. The first one that we will take a look at is x is greater than y, and we have the boundary line there already. So we will take a look at the reason for having the line drawn like that. The boundary line for this inequality is x is equal to y, which is more appropriately written as y is equal to x. And this has everything to do with what we call dependent and independent variables. The value of y is dependent on the value of x. X is therefore the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. And that is why it is more appropriately written as y is equal to x. Now, for this line, as a matter of fact, if we need to construct this line from scratch, we will have to draw a line which is y is equal to x, for which every point on that line, the x and y ordinates are equal. Everywhere on that line, the x and y ordinates are equal. And that is how we would construct that line. X is 80, y is 80. We plot that point, it will be on the line. Also, x is equal to 120, y is equal to 120. We plot that point, it will also be on the line. And I am almost sure that the most important point will not be mentioned. X is 160, y is 160. If we plot those 3 points, the line should go straight through all of them, and that is why that line has equation y is equal to x. Also, we need to mention that for that line, because y is equal to x, if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0, or the other way around, because y is the dependent variable. We may say if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, that line should also pass through the origin. That needs to be mentioned. It's very important. And the reason for the line being broken, being a broken line, is that x is greater than y according to the inequality. Therefore, the values of x and y cannot be equal. And that is why we use a boundary line that is a broken line to represent that inequality. Download Richard James Mathematics Resources app from the Google Play Store and have all of your examination solutions, instructional manuals, and other electronic books and booklets in one place. Also, have all of our products and services at your fingertips and on the go. Call or WhatsApp 876-351-9689 or 876-318-8848 for all hard copy books and booklets to complement your studies. Significant discounts will be given to everyone who is registered with any of our programs.